Hello dear students, welcome to my channel. In this episode, we are going to discuss in the properties of triangles chapter projection rule we are going to discuss now. In this case also, we will prove that the projection rules by three cases. One by one we will discuss now. What is the statement of projection rule? In triangle ABC, A equal to B into cos C plus C into cos B and B equal to A cos C plus C cos A and small c equal to A cos B plus B cos A. So let us consider the case 1 in the proofs. In this case 1, consider a triangle ABC is a triangle. We know that AB, BC, CA values. BC is equal to small a and AC is equal to small b and AB equal to small c. And D be the projection of A on BC side. So here observe that D is a point here. Let D be the projection of A on BC side. Suppose B is an acute angle here. Suppose B is an acute angle. In case of acute angle, from triangle ABD, find out cos B value here. Cos B is equal to, here angle is B, adjacent side by hypotenuse, that means BD divided by AB, which is also equal to BD divided by AB. AB value is what? C. So now cross multiply BD equal to C into cos B. We got the value of BD. Similarly, from triangle ADC, here cos C angle you can calculate. Cos C is equal to adjacent side, that means DC divided by AC, which is equal to DC divided by AC is small b. Cross multiply and write the value of DC. DC equal to small b into cos C. After getting of these values BD and DC, now consider the side BC. Now consider small a equal to BC. From the figure, BC can be written as BD plus DC. BD plus DC, which is also equal to, what is BD here? C into cos B plus DC means B into cos C. Therefore, in the case 1, if B is an acute angle, we got A equal to small a equal to small b into cos C plus small c into cos B. We proved the value of A. This is called the projection rule. In case 1, we proved that. Now case 2. In case 2, if the angle is B is a right angle. In the previous case it is an acute angle. Suppose B is a right angle. If it is right angle, draw the rough figure. So here A, this is B, to C. From here to here it is small a. From here to here small b. From here to here small c. After that, B is right angle. Pi by 2 means 90. From figure, cos C you can calculate. From triangle, ACB, cos C equal to adjacent side y hypotenuse, that means BC divided by AC. What is BC? Small a divided by what is AC? Small b. So cross multiply, we will get small a equal to b into cos C. Even this also can be written as, can we write like this? A equal to b cos C plus C into cos pi by 2. Can we write like this? Why? Because cos pi by 2 is 0. So we can write it as C into 0. So A equal to B into cos C plus C into, since this triangle ABC is right angle at B, no? So in B is equal to pi by 2. So wherever B is there, here we have to, pi by 2 is there, we can write as B. Therefore, in case of triangle is right angle at B, so we got A equal to B cos C plus C cos B. In case of right angle also, we got the projection rule formula, A equal to B cos C plus C cos B. Now we will enter into the case 3. In case 3, suppose B is an obtuse angle. B is an obtuse angle. So whenever B is an obtuse angle, the figure will become like this. So in this figure, B is an acute angle, and mention that BC is equal to small a, AC is equal to small b, and AB is equal to small c. After that, draw one perpendicular from point A to the side BC and produce, so D is the perpendicular, and produce BC. Draw a perpendicular from A to the side BC, and produced After that, observe the figure. From here to here it is The dotted one is total straight angle this. So angle B, if you want only this one, this side. So angle DBA, from this DBA, angle DBA is equal to 180 degrees minus B. From triangle ABD, from triangle ABD, cos of 180 minus beta, 180 minus B is equal to, here the angle cos of 180 minus B. So BD divided by AB. So BD, adjacent side, divided by AB, which is equal to BD or DB divided by AB means what? Small c, which is also can be written as cos of 180 minus B is minus cos B, which is equal to BD divided by small c. Cross multiplying, we will get minus c into cos B is equal to BD. Keep in box. We got the value of BD or DB. Similarly, from triangle ACD, cos C equal to, from this cos C equal to adjacent side DC divided by hypotenuse AC. So that implies that, so DC equal to AC into cos C. What is AC from the figure? It is B, no? So DC is equal to B into cos C. So this is the value of DC. After getting of these values, we can express DC from the figure DB plus BC. So we have DC is equal to, from the figure, DB plus BC, DB plus BC. From this, BC make as a subject. So BC is equal to DC minus DB. So BC means what? Small a. From this figure, BC is equal to small a equal to DC. DC value we got it now here. B cos C minus DB. DB or BD both are same. So minus C cos B. Therefore, A equal to B cos C plus C cos B. In third case, if B is obtuse angle, we got small a equal to B cos C plus C cos B. Similarly, we can prove that. B equal to small a into cos C plus small c into cos A, and small c equal to small a into cos B plus small b into cos A. Hence proved. Here we proved the projection rule by taking the three cases. One is acute angle, another one is right angle, and third one is obtuse angle. Without taking that obtuse, acute and right angle, we will do this same projection rule by another method. Let us see that. Here in this projection rule, this is the second method. In previously we have taken the cases, now direct method we are doing here. Observe that in triangle ABC, A equal to B cos C plus C cos B, B equal to C cos A plus A cos C, and C equal to A cos B plus B cos C. Here you can from cosine rule we have the formula B square equal to, from cosine rule, B square equal to A square plus C square minus 2AC cos B. That implies that from this minus 2AC cos B we can take this side, and B square we can take this side. 2AC cos B is equal to A square plus C square minus B square. From that I want cos B. Cos B make as a subject. So cos B equal to A square plus C square minus B square divided by 2AC. This is the value of cos B. Similarly, we know that C square equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB into cos C. That implies that 2AB cos C equal to A square plus B square minus C square. So cos C equal to A square plus B square minus C square divided by 2AB. After getting these values cos B and cos C, let us consider the RHS. Here RHS is B cos C plus C cos B, which is equal to B into, in place of cos C, A square plus B square minus C square divided by 2AB plus C into cos B, A square plus C square minus B square divided by 2AC. Here C get cancelled. Here B get cancelled. After that, here 2A LCM, here also 2A LCM. So take common, take LCM 2A. Whenever LCM is same, you have to add the numerators. A square plus B square minus C square plus A square plus C square minus B square. So now minus B square plus B square get cancelled, plus C square minus C square get cancelled. A square plus A square 2A square divided by 2A. So 2 get cancelled, one of the A also cancelled, which is equal to A, which is required LHS. Therefore, we conclude that in triangle ABC, A equal to B cos C plus C cos B. Similarly, we can prove the other theorem also, other theorem statements. Similarly, we can prove B equal to C cos A plus A cos C and C equal to A cos B plus B cos A. This is the alternate method, substitution method. Thank you dear students for watching my channel. Please do subscribe and share to your friends and relatives.